study. Yes, children? Yes, very good. Now today we learn class first, social children. Okay? Now everyone take out social textbook. Yes, children. Now everyone take out social textbook, children. Okay? See, children. Already we learn. Yes, our neighborhood fifth lesson completed. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now today we learn sixth lesson, direction and times. Okay, children. Today we learn direction and times. Yes, children. See, direction and time lesson, children. See, children, here, take off. I write with my right hand, left hand. Yes, right hand. My friend with warm. I share my dusk in the seats on my right hand. Here, see, children, warm up. Kunal is standing on the right side. See, children, here, Kunal. See, children, this one picture is there here. Two boys, one girl, one puppy. See? Okay, children. See? This is Kunal, this is Shobhi, this is Medha, this is Roof. Okay? This is Kunal. Side A of Shobhit. Right side. Shobhit and Medha standing between Shobhit, Medha. And Rufus standing on the Medha's left side. Okay, children, understood? See, children, we use words left and right to explain the position of a place. Yes, children, every day we use left side, right side. Every day we use the children left side position of a places. We also talk about how far it is above or below something. Yes, children. I know that how is far, how is near. Okay, children. But it's only work the place that we are trying. Locate is nearby. Yes, children. Only work is places trying by locate nearby, children. When we look at the big map that show where place we use east, west, north, south. We see the map. You know, children, map. Yes, India map. Yes, we show where place east, west, north, south. Okay, children? The south to the explained direction. These are four main directions. South is explained direction. How many directions are there, children? Yes, four directions. East, west, north, south. We can find out once we know where the east. Yes, children. Today we find where the east side. Okay, children? The east side direction in the which is sunrise. Where, children? East? Yes. Which is east direction, which is sun rises. That side is east, children. Yes. Sunrise. Yes, children. The east direction in which east, that is that side, sun is rising. Okay. East and west opposites to each other. East and west opposites to each other, children. Yes, children. East and west. The sunrise in the east, in the set in the west. As children, the east, every morning the east is sunset, sunrise, and west side the sun is, the sun is sunrise, children. West side sunrise. East is sun rise. Okay, children. The sunrise in the east and sets in the west. Yes, children. East side sun is rise. West side the sun is west. Okay, children. If you stand face the east, the north won't be on your left. Yes, children. You see the east side. Your left side is north. Yes, children. We see the east side. Your left side is north. Okay, children. The sun is rising east side. Yes, children. The sun is rising east side. The west side, sun is west. Okay, children. Okay, children. You stand east side. Your left hand side is north. Okay, children. Wood can be your right. We can also compass to find out direction. Children, see here one boy is there. This hand, children, compass. Compass. See is showing direction, children. Where is east? Where is north? Where is east? Where is west? Okay, children. Is that one instrument? Yes, children. Compass is one instrument showing direction. East way, west way, north way, south way. With a needle, and that always point to the north. Yes, children. Compass has one instrument. Same some like some watch. Okay, children. One needle also is there showing where is east, where is north, where is south. With a needle that always point in the north. Okay, children. Time. We do different things at different times of the day. Yes, children. We do different things of different times. We can tell the difference between morning and afternoon by looking at the position of the sun in the sky. See, children, here morning, afternoon, evening. Okay, children, look position. See, children, this is morning time. The tree is near the front side. This is under. This is beside. See, children, morning, afternoon, evening. See, children, these trees. Okay. When the sun rises, we know it is morning. Yes, children. We know sun rises in the morning. When the sun high in the sky, we know it is afternoon. Yes, children. Sun is in the high, the time is afternoon. When the sun set, we know it is evening. When the sun set, in the evening, children. Okay? We can look up to our shadow to find what is the time. It is a shadow. From on the opposite side of the light. Yes, children. We know we can look out our shadow. What is the time now? What is the time? Shadow always from on the opposite side of the light, children. Okay? Clock, children. Here, see, children, clock. You know clock, children? Yes. Clock or a watch is a device that gives an exact time of the day. Clock is showing exact time every day. It's two hands. Yes, children, this is two hands. One long and one short. One hand is long and one is short. We used to tell the time when we use clock or a watch. Yes, children, we used to tell the time and watch time to measure in our minutes and seconds. There are 24 hours in a day. See, children, here watch. One hand, see, children, one big needle and one small needle. Two needles. Okay, children? When the long hand at 12, at the 3 short, at the 3 it's 3 o'clock. See, children? Big needle is 12. Small is 3. Its time is, now here time is 3 o'clock. Yes, children? Okay, understood the children? Yes, children, see, one more time. Sun is rising in the east side. Yes, children. Sun is rising in the east side and sunset in the west side. Okay, children? You stand east side, your left side is north, children. Your right side is south. Okay, children? Okay? Now, everyone take out social class workbook, children. I'll give some hard words. Okay? You write in your class workbook. So, everyone take out your social class workbook, children. Yes, children. Now, take out everyone your social class book. I'll give some hard words. Okay, children? Yes, children. Start writing, children. Hard words. Yes, children. Hard words. First one. Direction. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions. Second one. T-I-M-E. Time. Third one. E-A-S-T. East. Fourth one. W-E-S-T. West. Fifth one. N-O-R-T-H. North. Sixth one is S-O-U-T-H. South. Eighth one is compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass. Ninth one is opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite. Tenth one is morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. 11th one is sky. S-K-Y. Sky. 12th one is sun. 13th one is M-O-O-N. Moon. Yes, children. See, children, here 13 hard words is there. Okay, children. See the board and write in your classwork book neatly, children. Say and write. Okay, children. Now start writing. Okay, children, finish your writing, children, these hard words? Yes, children, very good. Now, these hard words, yes, children, repeat after me, children. Okay, I'll repeat, you after me also repeat, children. Okay, direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Directions, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. CTIONS, directions. Time, 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 time. East, 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 east. West, 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 west. North, 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 north. South, 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 south. Compass, 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 compass. Opposite, 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 opposite. Morning, 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 morning. Sky, 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 sky. SUN, sun, sun. MOON, moon, moon. SUN, sun. SKY, sky. MORNING, morning. OPPOSITE, opposite. Compass, COMPASS, compass. SOUTH, 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 south. NORTH, north, north. WEST, west, west. EAST, east, east. TIME, time, direction. DIRECTIONS, directions. DIRECTIONS, direction. Finish children, hard work writing. Okay children, I will give one more time, 1 minute time children. You write neatly. Okay children, say and write. Write children. Okay children, finish writing children? Yes, very good children. Now one more time repeat this hard work children. Direction, DIRECTIONS, direction, DIRECTIONS, directions. Time, TIME, time. East, 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 east. WEST, west, NORTH, north, north. South, SOUTH, south. Compass, 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 compass. Opposite, 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 opposite. Morning, 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 morning. Sky, SKY, S-K-Y sky, S-K-Y sky, S-U-N sun, S-U-N sun, moon, M-O-O-N moon, M-O-O-N moon, M-O-O-N moon, S-U-N sun, S-K-Y sky, M-O-R-N-I-N-G morning, O-P-P-O-S-I-T opposite, C-O-M-P-A-S-S compass, S-O-U-T-H south, south, N-O-R-T-H north, W-E-S-T west, E-A-S-T east, west, east, T-I-M-E time, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S directions, T-I-M-E time, E-A-S-T east, W-E-S-T west, N-O-R-T-H north, S-O-U-T-H south. Finish children? Yes children. See here page number 36. Yes children. Page number 36. Do it yourself. Yes children. This is do it yourself. You only do children this one. What is this children? The chemist. See children here. School, chemist, stationery shop and sweet shop. See children here. 4 shop is there. See. 1, 2, 3. 4 shop is there children? Yes. The chemist on the, look at the sketch and fill in the blanks. Here write children, chemist on the, of the school. Which side children chemist? Yes. The stationery shop on the dash of the sweet shop. The sweet shop in the dash of the chemist. The school is on the dash of the stationery. Yes children. See children. Here 4 shops is there. One is school, one is chemist, one is stationery shop, one is sweet shop. Isn't it children? See? See children, this chemist shop, where is stay? Means where is chemist shop? East, west, north shop. Where is school? East, west, north shop. Stationery shop. Where is east, west, north shop? Sweet shop. East, west, south, north. As children, it is do it yourself. It is do it yourself children. Okay? Okay children? Next children, see children, watch. Here see children, watch. What is the time children? This watch? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay children? This is watch. See children? Okay children? See here. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 numbers. Okay children? Watch have 2 needles. One is big needle, one is small needle. This is big needle, 12 o'clock. This is small needle, 3. What is the time children? 3 o'clock. Isn't it children? Yes. Is this 12? Big needle, 12. Small needle, 3. Time is 3 o'clock. Okay children? Yes. Understood children? Big needle is 12, small needle is 3. So time is 3 o'clock. Yes children. Suppose children, this big needle 11. So time is, yes children, more 5 minutes to 3. Yes children, more 5 minutes to 3. Suppose this big needle is 10 o'clock. More 10 minutes to 3. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes, 1 hour. Yes children? Now children, this big needle is 10 o'clock. 10. The small needle is 3. So time is 10 minutes to 3. Okay children? one children. See children, this big needle is 6. Small needle is 12. What is the time children? Exact 6 o'clock. Yes children, exact 6 o'clock. Understood children? Yes, very good children. Now one more time repeat this hard words children. Direction. Directions. Direction. Directions. Directions. Time. 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 EAST. East. WEST. West. NORTH. North. SOUTH. South. COMPASS. Compass. Opposite. 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 Morning. 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 SKY. 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 SUN. 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 MOON. Moon. Okay children? Understood? Now it's time for Sakshi children. Okay? Now children, Sakshi. Yes children, 6th lesson, these hard words, 30 hard words. 6th lesson, homework, write 2 times. Yes children, 6th lesson hard words, direction, time, east, west, north, south, compass, opposite, morning, sky, sun, moon. These hard words, 6th lesson, 13 hard words, homework write 2 times in your classwork book children. Yes children, write Sakshi children in your classwork book. Sakshi, homework, 6th lesson, hard words, homework write 2 times. Okay children, understood children? Yes. Finish your Sakshi. Very good. You are all good children. Okay children? Okay children? Bye. Take care children.